Karbi Students Association HDP Branch Committee under Bokajang District Committee formed on 23rd October. Century-old Sarthekramsa village plead for provision of good road connectivity to their village just 3 kilometers away from NH 36. All Party Hills Leaders Conference formed its women wing at Hamren on Monday.
Amar Jivan adawai kinang ji atumaphan isi birta kemi bangso adawai non ke Karbiang long pen West Karbiang long along setami long pon ikji lapenan parta nangli na hok damde hem tot lun pen nangli hem an nangke pathon kok mate home delivery our sai setami do ikji lasi humri ignon Amar Jivan
ko ana ne kisu kecelang pen setami mini lasela mar jawon adawai kicu pensi ta chu itek lo ijakong ta don lo engke do ta don misen lo si choro lo la na ki pi dama atuma phan sitame si ning sampit lo si la sa do bai ke anatum an sitame enak ni si ni thang sitame jela khalo pen isi ke arnam ahir jo melu si jela khalong lu si sa do bai ke kichobang putin na bang sitame ajakong ta doji apen an ta chuthekji apen kamat tha sitame matha plot asomsi non chethek longlo
klar dak pen kachini ji aphan troxy phaiwi hini trop pho phaiwi troxy ner kapalong humri ignon.
Hello viewers, good morning. You're watching Carving on Life English Prime Time with Jelly Baby. On 23rd October, Bokajang District Committee formed its branch committee at HDP High School in presence of Samson Theron, President of Karbi Students Association. The branch formation program was chaired by Francis Singh Tigathar, President of Bokajang District Committee, and the introduction of the guests as well as the objective of the meeting was briefed by Jinghon Hansei, Secretary of Bokajang District Committee. Samson Theron Milik, President of Karbi Students Association Central Committee, attended as the chief guest of the event. Ajoy Rongchehon, Secretary of Depot District Committee, along with his colleagues, were also present at the event. It was informed that to strengthen the association and to work for the welfare of the society as per the interests of the mass, it was unanimously decided to appoint Singh Bey as the president, Sarjinong Terang and Jirka Timungpi as the vice presidents, Malongkiri Tiso as the secretary, Sarbinong Tiso and Jirka Intipi as the assistant secretaries, Babu Timung as the finance secretary, Kiron Hansei as the publicity secretary, Minder Bey as the organizing secretary of KSA HDP branch committee. Samson Theron Milik, president of KSA, along with several eminent student leaders, shared the vision of KSA and motivated the newly appointed office bearers by giving their words of encouragement at the event.
Lasi he kaching hon longri lompat kaching hon ke ini jahatah muni tum ching hon ki anning na klong pen anning cherot ko pen kamatha do amuni titik ke longri lompat ching.
Bijoy Rongpis report from the live for Caribbean Live. Sarthekramsa village is a home to nearly 70 families and a century-old village at Rongplim Plum under Borjan constituency. Yet, the people of Sarthekramsa village and its adjoining villages are forced to pass through the pathetic and impossible road connecting from National Highway 36. The citizens of Sarthekramsa village, big and small, young and old, men, women and children, everyone bowed to fate and voluntarily came forward to repair the pathetic and impossible road of their village. Harsing Kramsa, village headman of Sarthekramsa village, while speaking to us informed that the village was established in the year 1922 and counting to this year 2022, the village had completed a mark of 1 century. Yet, no good road was constructed till date. Hence, we appeal the concerned authority to provide road for a century-old village.
Actual, kita ni tum junon anta sorkara hinten, council hinten sita, ha kira bawa. Lasi prabjin pen, nona sorkar, mate CM, sah tum pan ichuningri prabjin pen a sotowa nigi tiya pan.
While interacting with the villagers, they inform that there are several schemes and projects under MLA and MP scheme, special package from the state and central government, but the village is always neglected, consequently deprived from any sort of development from the government.
Nitumhan kupi posi asitin scheme bename nang patang pun pedet mah posi ni George Kangtung nasi jongsi arong tin ni tu marong de lo arong tin jongsi towar long le jur pi pon pen towar le pi et posonte alang tum an suse rat pen hirdume long lang.
The villagers do not wish to blame the present local representative of Borjan constituency. The allocation of fund for the construction might take time, but the former representative of Borjan constituency, Longki Timung, who had represented Borjan constituency for 15 years, had failed to provide road to their village.
So tuwa long ke la anarat ki wang sta mi la da ke kisu ki un e la pen ke beha be par chuklem so dam ang sta la dak man si ditum dam bom sta kisu bang gerar bang thipik la sinon sta me la so tuwa ra phana bang ke non do bom sarkar to mang ke পরিবর্তন সরকার লা সিলা ডাকটা নিতুম হাতা কার্বি আংলো আকিপিটেল রিফুপেন ডাক রং প্রিমপ্লাম কে তিবগেলো লা সিলা সো তিবগেরা দিম কে আলাং নিতুম তানাং lang ponoson te misenji pusini tum mang ke chuni ripon.
To free the villagers from all the problems they are facing due to unavailability of good roads, the villagers appeal Dr. Tuiram Ronghang and the concerned authority of KAAC to kindly consider their grievances and provide good road in the days to come. Vijay Rongpi's report from Dilai for Karbi Anglong Live. Women plays an important role in building a society. They are also as important as men in building the nation economically and politically. Hence, keeping in view of these facts, All Party Health Leaders Conference, APHLC, formed its Women Wing at Hamren on 24th October. The Women Wing branch formation was chaired by Rita Kropsapi, President of APHLC Women Wing Central Committee. It was reported that the purpose of forming its Women Wing is to extend their support and stand by the party's side. Women would take the lead in helping the party to adjust into new realities and challenges in the days to come. After a prolonged discussion to uplift and strengthen the party, it was unanimously decided to appoint Agnes Bepi as the President and Gracie Tirangpi as the General Secretary of APHLC Women Wings Hamren. More than 100 women from across the town attended the event. Prominent leaders of APHLC Bikram Hanse, Ajit Timung and Rita Kramsapi were present at the formation program. Dirchana Rongpi's report from Puloni for Karbi Anglong Live. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a great day.